Hey guys, so I want to take a few minutes and talk to you about the font settings that we have. So we'll start off by going over to the typography section and we'll go to the quick font setup. Now even though this is the last tab within our setup, I want to start with this first as it may be one of the first adjustments that you will make to the font settings. So the reason why it's called quick font setup is because we can easily change any font used within the website to a font of your preference. So let's take a look at our homepage. Here we have the H1 font used as Ladle Light font, and as we scroll down we have the same font used in the following area here and at the bottom of our website in this section as well. So if we want to replace this particular font on every single page and in every single area which it is being used on, we simply go over to the quick font setup. We go over here and we replace the Ladle Light font with a font of our preference. So we'll go ahead to click on update and then we will refresh our homepage and you'll see that the following font has been replaced with the font that we selected. So as we scroll down, this font changed and this font changed as well. So once again, this is a very good option if you quickly want to replace some of the fonts used within our demo. Next off, let's head on over to generic typography. But let me just revert back to the original settings here. So generic typography, within this area, essentially we can adjust some of the generic font settings, obviously. So here we have all of the fonts or the font areas used within the website listed out. We have text input field, paragraph, paragraph link font, H1, H2s, and so forth. So all of the fonts that we use and the font areas that we use within the website are also listed out here. Then we also have a section that's called customized font styles. Now these two sections, the customized font styles and the generic typography, are actually interlinked together. So for example, if we change the following H1 font, we click here to the edit button and we decided to change our H1 font to this one here. We'll click close, click on update settings. You'll see that we are automatically moved over to the customized font settings. So now if we click on the following tab and refresh this page, you will see that the following H1 font has changed accordingly. Once again, it's simply because it is connected to the generic typography settings. Alright, so what this area is for, the customized font styles, this is a section where you can create your own customized font. Now what that means is, let's say there's a specific page where you need to use, let's say the following font and the following shape, the following boldness of it, but you just need to make the actual font size just a little bit smaller because your page title is too long. So what you do in these cases is you scroll down, you click on add font style, click here to the edit button, you give your font style a name, so let's just say it'll be about subtitle font. Okay. We then select the font that we want to use. We make all of the required adjustments. Click on escape. And our font style is added to the following section. We then scroll up and we click on update. At this point, let's head on over to our pages area. We'll open it up in a new tab and we will create a new page. So new about page. We'll select the page template as about. Okay, and going over to the top block section, this is where we have our title, pre-title, and so forth. So what we'll do is change the following subtitle font. Now, by default, we have the following Label 1 font already pre-assigned. However, we've created an About subtitle font that we want to use specifically for this page, and we are going to select it. So we'll go ahead, publish our page, and then open it up in a new tab just to see what we've come up with. Okay, so here we have About Us, Meet the Team, and then we have the new font that we've added to the following page. Now, what you can also do, because let's say the following H1 font also uses the same font family, but the font is just a little bit too large. Once again, you can create a new font style to actually achieve the look that you want. So there are a variety of options for you to play around with and really customize the theme using your own set of fonts. Now, we also offer the option to upload your own Google fonts. So you click here to add a Google font, or you click here to upload a custom font, and we have the font formats listed out here. So it needs to be TTF or WOFF. Now, before you can start using a custom font, make sure that you add the font and that you create a font style for it. So let's just say I uploaded any random font. What I need to do is head on over to the customize font area. I need to create a font style. I need to make all of the required adjustments, select my new font family that has been uploaded, as it will appear in the following drop down. I'll need to name the following font, and I will also need to make adjustments in terms of size, mobile size, letter spacing, word spacing, line heights, and so forth. Once all of these adjustments are made and you click on Update in the top right corner, only then they will appear in the generic typography area, and you can replace any of these fonts with the custom font that you've uploaded. Alright, and the same process would apply to the quick font setup. It needs to be uploaded to the customized font style area first before it appears either in the quick font setup or the generic typography. Alright, so thanks again for watching this video, guys. I hope everything makes sense, and I'll see you guys around later.